So we're at the assignments portion of this particular assignment. And when I create an assignment, usually for myself, I have my module and I'm looking at the module and I will click on the little plus sign here. And this is going to give me an option to do um, various different things. So for example, if I click on this, it's going to give me, I can add an assignment, I can add a quiz, I can add a page, I can do a lot of different things to the module, but let's focus on the actual assignment, okay? I actually have a list of assignments because this is my course that's already been running, and so I've already created assignments. So I could actually retrieve some of these assignments if I choose to. But let's start off with creating an assignment, okay? Once you create an assignment, you do have to give it its name. Oh, all right, so let's say I'm doing mine on Introduction to US History, okay? If I click on Add to Item, it is going to put that assignment in the actual module itself. So that's a good way of organizing. Once I've done that, I'd simply click on this assignment, and now I'm ready to input the information for the assignment. So I simply do that by clicking on Edit. I can decide if this is going to be a graded assignment or not. We have assignment groups. If you break your assignments down according to different categories, you probably want to do that. You can decide if this is going to be a graded or not graded assignment or based upon complete or incomplete. It's really up to you. This section right here, the submission type, there's various different types of submission types in Canvas. Online basically means that you're going to be using a tool where the students have to retrieve a URL. On paper creates what we call a text box in the assignment where students simply type in a response to a question. The external tool, those are outside tools we can pull from Google Drive and other platforms to actually incorporate in the assignment. So the students, if they're putting in an external tool, they can use that. I can also decide if my assignment is going to be peer reviewed. I can decide, in my case, we'll use Aries. If my assignment is going to go directly, it's going to be synced into my student information system. And then I want to actually here, I decide if I have different periods, I can decide if I have the different periods. So if you see here, I have lots of different periods, I can select them, okay? The due date, I simply click on that. I make the assignment available from a certain time to a certain time. Now, here comes the content of this assignment. You can set up your assignment any way you want to. I specifically set up my assignments so there is a clear breakdown of what students have to do in the assignment. So let me show you an example. Okay, so this is one of the assignments I have created. Okay, I always create videos because my students need to see tutorials. I sometimes create exemplars of the assignment. I also could provide them context, an essential question, the goal, and modifications. This is done because if my students are asynchronous, they need to see this. And I break down the assignment into directions. If I have outside sources, you can see I've linked it. So I'm pretty specific about the directions I give the students. And I even give them uploading directions if I feel they're not adept yet at uploading. So that is the assignment. You can create assignments for your content. You decide how you want to go about doing it, but that simply is how the assignment process works.